Hello guys, my name is Dr. Amreek Singh Dhillon. I am the director of exceleducation group. So today I am at the Safe Alliance Flight Academy. So I will here now I am present at the Aerodom of the Flight Academy. Here they are doing the courses private pilot licensing and commercial pilot licensing. And here more than 30 Indian students are already studying here. This is the ISCA in Aerodom. It's since 1942. They are having here more than 15 planes and which they are giving the teaching to the students. And they are having 3 multi-engine planes. Cessna plane they are using for the multi-engine. So I will take you the tour for the Aerodom of the Safe Sky Alliance Flight Academy.